Ancient pyramids, particularly those in Egypt and Mesoamerica, have long fascinated historians, archaeologists, and enthusiasts due to their architectural complexity, mysterious origins, and cultural significance. Egyptian pyramids. Purpose: primarily built as tombs for pharaohs and significant officials. Famous examples: the Great Pyramid of Giza, the Pyramid of Khafra, and the Pyramid of Menkaure. Construction techniques: theories suggest a combination of ramps, sledges, and skilled labor were used to move massive limestone and granite blocks. Some recent research also posits the use of internal ramps. Mysteries: the exact methods of construction, the alignment with astronomical bodies, and the purpose of certain internal chambers and passages continue to intrigue researchers. Mesoamerican pyramids. Purpose: often served as temples, ceremonial sites, and places for rituals and sacrifices. Famous examples: the Pyramid of the Sun and the Pyramid of the Moon at Teotihuacan, and the Pyramid of Kukulkan at Chichen Itza. Construction techniques: constructed using locally sourced stones and a method involving layered platforms and steep staircases. Mysteries: the decline of the civilizations that built them, the exact religious and astronomical significance, and the methods used for precise construction alignments remain partially unresolved. Architectural significance. Both Egyptian and Mesoamerican pyramids reflect advanced knowledge of engineering, mathematics, and astronomy. The alignment with celestial bodies suggests a deep understanding of the cosmos, and its importance to these ancient cultures. Cultural impact. Pyramids have influenced art, literature, and popular culture, symbolizing mystery, power, and ancient wisdom.